Again, welcome back, my friend, to our channel. Today is more also an elaboration of our animal nature, which is the power of dominance. As I have said, the animal nature in us, which is more concerned of survival instinct. That's why Darwin mentioned the survival of the species, survival of the fittest. And usually animal is territorial and have that traits of dominance. So my topic is about the power of dominance within us. What is the power of dominance? As I search it, it's mentioned here. Dominance is conceptualized as the desire for power and influence over others, and the willingness to coercive, aggressive, and forceful in their attainment. What's similar words for dominance? Supremacy, superiority, or dominion. Example of power dominance. So we have in Western countries or other countries, they are more on the latest technologies. The latest technologies mostly applied to military application. The latest technologies. But what I'll mention here is how to make this power of dominance is having nuclear, atomic, or what we call hydrogen bombs. What is the objective? It's just to win the war, whatever ideologies they have. Since this is part of animal instinct as survival mechanism. Countries having nuclear weapons and even having technology to make it. Then I will analyze them according to their interior motive and purpose of or for having these nuclear weapons. Let's say I'll categorize this into three: dominance, political dominance, economic dominance, or even religious dominance. How about the countries with nuclear weapons? We have USA, Russia, France, United Kingdom, Israel, Pakistan, North Korea, and South Africa. So, on my perspective, on my opinion, they have these arsenals of nuclear weapons for political dominance. How about economic dominance? In my opinion, it is the China and India who have these nuclear weapons for economic dominance. How about religious dominance? Which country? It is Iran. But I can say they don't have yet nuclear weapons, but they are trying because they want to be uh, dominant in religion, religious dominance. So what is genocide? Because I relate these nuclear bombs to genocide. Genocide is the deliberate killing of a large number of people from a particular nation or ethnic group with the aim of destroying that nation or group. But the use of nuclear bombs is higher than genocide. It is not only for mass destruction, but including killing of animals, plants, and destroying non-living things like vehicles, buildings, etc. The blast impact of this nuclear bomb destroy and wipe out all things within its reach. Now, the question is, country have nuclear weapons, good or bad? It's good. Why? Because it satisfies our animal nature and boasts the power of dominance within us. It might be political, religious, or economic dominance. How about the use of nuclear weapons? Good or bad? Definitely bad. Because it will annihilate us all. Maybe Philippines, if you bomb Philippines, maybe 3 nuclear bombs, there's no more Philippines in the globe. Totally wipe out. This is the power of nuclear bombs. Can we stop dismantle these armaments? Definitely not possible. Why? The first reason, technology of making nuclear weapons already there. There's technology. Difficult to remove. Second reason, as long as we have this animal nature and instinct of survival in us, within us, the technology of nuclear weapons will always flourish. Another question, when these nuclear weapons will be used in the near future? Definitely yes. Why? When time comes that there is disturbance in their dominance, like political, economic, and religious dominance by other countries, there will be the use of nuclear weapons is inevitable. See you in the next video. Thank you, my friend.